Pre-driving habits are essential for road safety. These routines help drivers prepare mentally and ensure their vehicles are in top condition. By adopting these habits, Ontarians can minimize risks and contribute to safer roads for everyone. A few moments of preparation can prevent accidents and ensure a smoother journey. Taking the time to focus on the task of driving is crucial. Distractions can be deadly, and a clear mind leads to better decisions on the road. Before you start your car, take a moment to clear your head. Put away your phone and focus on the journey ahead. Remember, you share the road with others, including pedestrians, cyclists, and other drivers. Being predictable and following traffic rules is essential. Your actions directly impact the safety of everyone around you. By incorporating these pre-driving rituals into your routine, you contribute to a safer driving environment for yourself and others. Remember, a few minutes of preparation can make all the difference. Before hitting the road, a quick vehicle check is crucial. This simple routine can prevent breakdowns and accidents. Start by checking your tire pressure and tread depth. Ensure all lights are functioning correctly, including headlights, taillights, and turn signals. Next, check your fluid levels, including oil, coolant, and windshield washer fluid. Top them up if needed. Adjust your mirrors to ensure clear visibility of your surroundings. Keep a basic car emergency kit in your trunk, including a first aid kit, jumper cables, and a flashlight. By taking a few minutes to inspect your vehicle, you can identify potential issues early on. This proactive approach ensures your car is safe to drive and reduces the risk of unexpected breakdowns or accidents on the road. Familiarizing yourself with your route before driving is essential, especially in a province as geographically diverse as Ontario. Use GPS apps or online maps to plan your journey, considering traffic conditions and estimated travel time. Check for any road closures, construction, or detours that may affect your route. Having a clear understanding of your destination and the best way to get there minimizes stress and reduces the chances of getting lost. Knowing your route in advance allows you to focus on driving and react to unexpected situations on the road more effectively. This preparation is particularly important for longer trips or when driving in unfamiliar areas. Ontario's weather can be unpredictable, and it's crucial to consider weather conditions before driving. Check the forecast and adjust your driving accordingly. In winter, give yourself extra time to clear snow and ice from your vehicle. Reduce your speed and maintain a safe distance from other vehicles in snowy or icy conditions. In heavy rain, be mindful of reduced visibility and potential hydroplaning. Slow down and use your headlights to increase your visibility to other drivers. Always be prepared for sudden weather changes. Keep an eye on the sky and be aware of potential hazards like fog, strong winds, or extreme temperatures. Adjusting your driving to suit the weather conditions is essential for staying safe on Ontario's roads.